This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2, and I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces. Let's talk about it. Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech. My name is Zach. Let's talk about the tech that you love. So I ordered the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active2. It's a mouthful. We'll just call it the Active2. And as you would expect, this watch definitely caters and definitely looks like it caters to people that are active or want to be more active. For myself personally, as you guys know, I'm on a weight loss and fitness journey, so I'm really looking forward to putting this through its paces against the Apple Watch. Now, I will have future videos for you guys, putting them one-on-one, but for now, I have to say, for the price point, which is roughly about half the amount, if not less than what I paid for my Apple Watch, this is really good value from what I can tell so far. The unpackaging, as you guys saw, the unboxing is a little underwhelming. It's very simple. They only give you one watch strap, and I have to use the last hole here because I got these big arms. For the price point, for what they give you here, first impressions, I'm gonna say, looks good so far. So I am looking forward to putting some workouts on here, trying out the heart rate monitor, things like that. I really like the vibrancy of the screen. It's really easy to read. There's lots of different watch faces you can pick from and things like that. So first impressions so far are, good. Very easy to put with your Samsung device. Now, I haven't tried with other devices. Generally speaking, I would say try to stay within the ecosystems that you have there. Put your Apple Watch with your Apple device, put your Samsung Watch with your Samsung device. But I'm pretty happy with things so far. So let me know down inside the comment section. Are you gonna pick up one of the new Samsung watches? Do you already have one? I know, for example, last year's Galaxy Watch was really popular. Things like the Frontier model and things like that have always been very popular. I've known a few people that actually own the Frontier model and they really like it. So, let me know if you have one, if you're thinking about getting one, and we'll have a conversation. If this video has helped you guys out at all, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section. You're a part of my Zach Pack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.